so excited about these print and cut coloring cards for weddings or bridal showers. I can barely stand it. I need to find somebody having an event that will have little kids. So the bundle has 6 different designs, and they're perfect to print out, add the crayons, and have them available for little kids that will be at your event and keep them occupied. One of the designs I created has a banner, so you can add your names in there on your machine. Another way to do it is to put the name and date next to the crayons. I think that's kind of fun. They're very flexible. You can print it on your machine. So this one was printed on my machine. This one was printed on a printer and then cut on the machine. So you can see the different look that you get there. This one, same thing, printed on the machine, printed on a home printer, cut on the machine. Then there's also the option of using or skipping a score line to make them fold so that you can have them where they're just seeing what they're coloring and the crayons are on the back. So if I was doing this for a wedding, I would get these little cellophane bags, and there are links to find these on Amazon, or you might be able to find them at a craft store, and it fits perfectly. And that way the crayons aren't going to get separated. If they seem a little bit loose, you're just going to push these out a little bit. Then you can also skip it and just have it flat, where you're going to use a bigger bag, which is an A2 size. I did find some, I believe, at Hobby Lobby, or you can also find them online. So it just depends which way you want them to, which way you want them to look. Packaged like that or packaged like that. Now, to put the crayons in, it's super easy. There's score lines here, so that folds up really easily. And then you're just going to hold the paper there as you gently put the crayon in. So again, super flexible. Fold or don't fold. You can package them either way. You can add name, or you could put the date on this one. And then this one, or all of them, you could put the names and the date next to the crayons and just make it just fun and personalized. And then I've also included a file to create a little table tent that you can put in front of the basket or container, wherever you're going to put these for the kids. And it comes like this. So it's going to cut this curve so it looks a little fancy. And then there's a score line here, a score line here. And you're just going to take a little bit of glue or a teeny piece of double stick tape, put it there. And this is just going to make it sturdy, so it's going to stand up well. And then I did a little coloring of my own. I used a silver Sharpie to make it look a little more special. Or you could cut this part off and just hang it over the edge of a basket. Totally up to you. I like to keep things really flexible. So let me show you what this is going to look like once it's all packaged up. So look how cute that is. Cute little basket and the sign, and then maybe have just like a container with some extra crayons in case they want more colors. And that's just a really fun thing to have when you're having little ones at your big event.